Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about respiration. What is respiration? To get an answer for this question, we should raise some more questions. Why do plants respire? All living organisms, whether plants or animals, require energy to drive life activities. So, they respire. Why do they need energy? This is very simple. They need energy to stay alive. Where do they get energy from? They get energy from food. How do they get energy from food? They get energy by oxidizing food materials. Food in the sense organic compounds like carbohydrates, protein and lipids in the cells. So, the process of harvesting chemical energy for metabolic activities in the form of ATP by oxidizing the food molecules is called respiration. The most common substrate for respiration is glucose. Respiration is enzymatically controlled because each and every step in respiration is controlled by enzymes, and respiration is catabolic and exothermic process because during respirations molecules are broken down into small units to release energy. Significance of respiration. The respiration is an important process because it releases energy which is utilized to drive various metabolic activities essential for plant life and activates cell division. It brings about the formation of other necessary compounds participating as important cell constituents. Respiration converts insoluble food into soluble form. It liberates carbon dioxide. Thus, it maintains the balance of carbon cycle in nature. It converts potential energy which is stored during photosynthesis into kinetic energy which is usable form. Types of respiration. On the basis of the availability of oxygen, respiration has been divided into two categories. One is aerobic respiration and the another one is anaerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, molecular oxygen is used for the complete oxidation of glucose to yield carbon dioxide, water and ATP molecules. Anaerobic respiration is the one in which glucose is partially oxidized without using oxygen to yield lactic acid or ethyl alcohol and 2 ATP molecules. Now we are going to see the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in the cells of all the higher plants and animals, whereas anaerobic respiration takes place in some bacteria, fungi and certain endoparasites. During aerobic respiration, glucose is completely oxidized, but during anaerobic respiration, glucose is partially oxidized. In aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and water. But in anaerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and either ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. During aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of one molecule of glucose yields 36 ATP molecules in eukaryotes and 38 ATP molecules in prokaryotes. During anaerobic respiration, complete oxidation of one molecule of glucose yields 2 ATP molecules. Aerobic respiration takes place in both cytoplasm and mitochondria of the cell, whereas anaerobic respiration takes place only in cytoplasm of the cell. Dear learners, I hope at the end of this video you all understand what is respiration, its significance and types of respiration, and what are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Thank you.